Hey loves, welcome back. Today's video is a full house tour. I don't know if I was gonna do one of these, but I decided to do it anyway. I felt like I had put up some video clips of the house before, and I gave like two separate house tours, and I was like, I'm not sure if I want to do a full one, so that's why I gave like the two mini ones. But I've decided to do a full, complete house tour now. Since we moved in back in December, you guys know I've been decorating and doing all the things in the house, and I am not finished. We are about to get into fall, y'all, and I'm about to put my little fall things out. As you can see, my little fall pillows are back there. So I want to start decorating for fall, but I still have a lot of major pieces to get for my home that I'm not completely finished with. You guys know I need to finish my living room, I need to finish my dining room, I need to finish my closet, I need to finish my bedroom. I have a space in the hallway I'm going to show you guys. I want to do something there, but I'm not sure. The only completed space in this house is my daughter's room. Sophia's room is the only room that's completed. You guys won't be seeing that in this video. I do have a video that we did a whole decorating, and everything is linked so in that room. So I will leave that in the cards, and I will leave that below. She's in her room right now, kind of relaxing and doing the things with her friends. So we're not going to go in there and bother her today. We're going to let her have her privacy like I always do. So again, we won't be seeing that in this video, but look at me nosy just looking out the window. But we're gonna see every place else. So like I said, also our basement isn't done. The basement is not completed. I may just show you guys a little quick glimpse of it, but the basement is completely unfinished. That's gonna be my boyfriend's full-on man cave. I have the whole house is my girl cave, y'all, so he could have a basement, I don't care. So let's go ahead and get started with the house tour. Alright, you guys, so we're gonna start on the first floor. Obviously, when you walk in, this is my living room. I love my living room, y'all. I love my living room. Our couches are from Cozy. I will link them linked below. The cool thing I love about these couches are that you can interchange them, so they definitely they can turn into a sectional. So if I wanted to buy, you could buy like a connected piece and connect it together. This can also be a part of the couch. If I wanted to, I could like take the end off of this couch and connect it, but it's like if I wanted to. So I love that I have the option, but I definitely didn't want to get a sectional. I wanted to go for the full 3-piece couch. I love the setup. The pillow covers are washable, so you can take them off. And it's like this nice, I want to say chenille. I'm not sure. But it's super soft. It's super comfortable for the couch. And the price, I think, is reasonable. This company is, I think, only based out of Canada. And we did like tons of researches on couches, y'all. Like we was about to go with the RH couch and everything, but we decided on this couch. And my dreamy coffee table is from a site called Perigold. This is a full marble coffee table, y'all. Like the base is like, this is 300-pound coffee table, you guys. Super heavy, like just super great. Like, so it's stuck here. Like, I don't know if we're going to be able to move it and put the rug under, but we'll give it a try. So this is the coffee table. I'm absolutely obsessed. It is a pretty penny. I saved up for homegirl, and I got her my tic-tac-toe board, you guys, is from Crate & Barrel. I love this tic-tac-toe board. I think it's so cool. Everything else on this coffee table is from Home Goods, so I probably won't be able to find it or link it, but yeah, is from At Home. So Wayfair for my end tables, and At Home for my lamps. Love it, love it, love it. And my beautiful tree is from Amazon, you guys. This was such a, like, oh my god, steal on Amazon. I did not know this tree was going to be this big and this beautiful. Like, the best blind purchase ever. I didn't see any reviews on this tree. I just knew that I wanted the tree and I needed it for in here. And it actually came with the base at the bottom too. It came with the planter. Beautiful tree. It is linked in my ShopMy as well, so you guys can check it out if you want it. Front of the couches, you will see the TV and this situation here. Don't mind my boyfriend's slippers in the corner. Just ignore that. Ignore that. The TV stand we have here, it's a bunch of miscellaneous stuff on here right now. All of the stuff is not staying here. It's just kind of there for right now. But yeah, this console is from Wayfair as well, and I actually like it. It put me in the mind of, what you call that place, Restoration Hardware. So it kind of looks just like that one, and yeah, but not even half the price. So we about to move on to the favorite part, my favorite part of the house, which is my kitchen. I love my kitchen. My bar stools are from Wayfair as well. They came in a set of 4. I don't know if I've ever linked it, but I will link it. I do have a theme in my kitchen. It is definitely the brown tones. So I love this Tuscan marble. You're gonna see this throughout like literally my whole house, but especially my kitchen. And this taupey color, I'm a beige mom, so you know, all had to match. When we got into the house, we did switch this out. This is actually by Z-Line, I believe, and I got this on Perigold as well. The house just came with like a generic one, so I don't know if you can tell, but it's like gold and silver. I wanted to show you guys the kitchen with the lights out first, and then I'll show you with it on. Of course, my beautiful Smeg toaster and kettle, which I love. And this is like my favorite part. Again, you see the Tuscan marble, just my favorite thing, my favorite type of marble. I love this marble. Both of these are from Crate and Barrel as well. My cutting boards are from Williams and Sonoma. These two, they came in a 3-pack, but the checkered board one came in a 3-pack on Amazon. These are oil pourers. I don't know what the hell they call it, but you guys, these are not good. I got them from Crate and Barrel, and the thing is that they loosen up a lot here. So I found some other ones that I want to get by Le Creuset, or the other ones are gonna be, it might be by Mackenzie Childs, I'm not sure, but I love these because it matches my kitchen beautifully, but they're just not like practical right now. And then this is what you put your pot on to keep your pot cool, or not put your pot on your countertops. And this is also from Crate and Barrel. My kitchen towels and everything from Williams Sonoma, and my rugs, my kitchen rugs, are from Amazon. So I will link those to you guys because I don't think I've ever linked those. And then I do love Mackenzie Childs, especially with the color and the checker is definitely my thing. Favorite part of the house is my dining room, you guys. I love this space. I think it's just so beautiful and it's elegante. The lights are from Amazon, my sconces on the wall, and as well as my mirror. And the cool thing about my sconces is these are battery operated, so we can charge them and they come right off the wall like that. So super easy. My boyfriend just put the nail in the wall on the studs. I think that's what he did, and put it right on here, and we just take them off to charge them. We don't have to charge them up that much. Super nice. As well as our wainscoting, I think that's what you call it, on the wall. We did do that. I bought this in a pack on Wayfair, and you literally just put the pieces together. My boyfriend went to Home Depot, got the glue and everything, put it on and painted it, and it's beautiful. I'm thinking about putting this in my living room wall as well. Our dining table and chairs are from a brand called Pop Mason. I found them on Instagram, and the table and chairs came as a full set, but I also think you can get the table and chairs on Wayfair as well. I will link it down below. It's definitely a good price for your money. It is a big steal. I highly recommend you guys check out Pop Mason. I think their things are awesome. The quality is great as well. It didn't take us that long to put together, and it's super pretty. The chairs are definitely strong and they're comfy. I love them so much. And this is a part of our dining room, our little makeshift bar. We got this from, everything is from Wayfair. The whole top part where the bar is and this little situation here. I don't know what the name of this is, but yeah, this is it. And I just keep my overflow of like some of my dishware and stuff in there. But yeah, this is my bar. So that's the first floor, y'all. Everything is kind of curated a certain tone, a certain color, a certain way. Let's go upstairs. I didn't mention my curtains. All of my curtains in my house, so all of the curtains in my home are from Amazon as well. They're pleated, they're super thick, super heavy blackout curtains. They are linen material as well, super strong, they're long, they just look so beautiful. I love these curtains. I definitely highly recommend them, and they were for a good price as well. They weren't bad. So now let's go upstairs so I can show you guys what's upstairs. So up the stairs we go. If you hear some feet to the left is my movie room. I guess I'll turn the light on. I kind of showed this in my other video, but this is my movie theater. Our cinema room. Have the TV, this space. Again, this couch is from Amazon. The pillows on the couch are from Amazon as well. Love the couch. It's definitely one of those boneless couches, you know, just come in a box, you guys, and it just inflates. Definitely super it is a firmer couch, I'm not gonna lie, but you guys, this thing is, I've fallen asleep so many times on this couch, it's not even funny. And I think this couch was no more than like $600. So definitely small for this space. It is a smaller space. They kind of marketed it as a loft area, so he was like, why not just turn it into movie room? We had the option to turn this into a bedroom as well, but we was like, no, let's just leave it open. We don't need the extra space like that. So yeah, this is the movie room. To my room, you guys have been seeing us trying to transform this space, get it nice and beautimous, and it's perfect. We got a lot of things planned for this room. We are going to get some pictures, some artwork, some dressers, a seating area. We about to do it up in this room, so that's gonna be soon as well. But I love this room. My bed is from Wayfair. My nightstands are from RH. I have them both linked below, and I'll have the shopping video linked below as well to show you guys, you know, when I bought everything and all of that. So yeah, the wall color too is chocolate color. I will leave it in the description box to tell you guys the exact color, but I am not sure. And we do got 2 walk-in closets in this room. I'm not gonna show you guys because it's a mess. And then quickly is our little bathroom. It's not much going on in here. It's just the bathroom, shower, etc. And straight ahead of Sophia's room. This is her bathroom. We are a Hello Kitty girl in here. I will link to everything below too for as far as the Hello Kitty stuff. I didn't really know she was into Hello Kitty like that. And then here we are, Hello Kitty. But I think we're about to change it. I think she's kind of over the Hello Kitty, so yeah. Then we have the laundry room. I am doing laundry right now as well. I think it's over, so I need to put it in the dryer. So the laundry is going, so yeah. Turn the light out. And you guys, you'll be so proud of me because I showed you guys this room before and it was a mess, and I cleaned it up. I cleaned it up just for y'all. Look at the room, y'all. This is going to be my closet. I plan on getting IKEA pack systems all on this wall here. I want to knock down this wall that is a closet, so I want to take this closet away to open up the space, give it more room. and I want a vanity IKEA thing. So we went to IKEA and we saw the setup in the system, but we didn't plan it out yet, like going in and doing it on the computer, but we will soon, and especially now that I've cleaned it up. So yeah, I just want it to be grand. I want to put a chase in the middle of the floor, a little couch. I just want it to be girl la la, you know. That's what I want. And then this extra space over here is our guest bedroom. Right now I'm using it as my little workout space, but soon it is going to be a guest bedroom. I know I have some family that's coming in December of this year that are going to be staying with us, and there's also a closet in here. So yeah, it'll fit like a full-size bed or something. A full-size bed will go there pretty good. So we're back downstairs, and I'm gonna show you guys my basement. So over here is my boyfriend's room, and then we have a bathroom, the garage, and we can go downstairs to the messy basement as of right now. Here is the basement. My boyfriend is a barber, so he cuts here sometimes as a hobby, but this is what we working with so far in the basement, y'all. Nothing too much. It's definitely a work in progress, but this is my man's space. I let him decide what he wants to do. It's his space, his thing. I'm not gonna fret over it. I just come down here if it's something I need to get. So we back at the same place that we started, you guys. I don't know why doing that with y'all got me out of breath so freaking fast. I'm out of breath. I'm tired. So I hope you all enjoyed this video. I hope you all enjoyed my house tour. If you have any questions about anything that maybe I didn't mention, let me know. I'll tell you where I got it from or whatever. I really hope you all enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching. Again, give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video very soon. Bye.